Coach Jojo IFBB Pro. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, quickly click the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends if you like my video and my content. That will help me a lot to create more videos in the future. So today we're going to talk about some exercises that you can do to reduce your back pain. A lot of people are sitting a lot and therefore they have some kind of stress in their lower back that cause a lot of pain. And this pain can be because you have like a disc compression, or you have a slip disc, or even just like tight muscles. So this exercise is going to help you to reduce the pain. At the same time, you are able to build some strength for your back and core. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the exercise. So all you need to do is just lie down on your mat or on the floor, okay? And just place your hands, your palms on the floor with your elbow touching to the floor. So a lot of people try to do this. So this is not as effective. Reason is you're going to overarch your back and you might risk hurting yourself, and you're actually not stretching your lower back. So what I advise you to do is just keep your elbow on the floor and then palms just slightly in front of your shoulders. Find a very nice and comfortable position. If you're a bigger size, you can even open your hands outside of the mat. It doesn't matter. Okay, so start by opening your legs slightly. You look down to the floor. Make sure you lengthen the back of your neck. Try not to do this. Then you'll be compressing your neck. Okay, so from here, all you need to do is slowly look up. Keep your shoulders down. And then you're going to use your hand to push yourself all the way up. Now, remember when you're in this position, you want to tighten your tummy. So you want to tighten your tummy here instead of just collapsing it. So this might create more pain. What I want you to do is lift those tummy up a little bit. Can you see the difference between this is a compression, okay? If I tighten my tummy, I will be like this way. So not this, but lift it up. If you're having a back pain, you might feel at the beginning there's a little bit of pinch at your lower back, okay? So don't worry about it. Slowly lower your body and down. And they're going to repeat a few more times. Take a deep breath, inhale, and then push yourself up. Now I'm telling you how good is this exercise because I personally have a very bad back because I actually sit a lot when I need to study and read books, and also when I need to coach my clients online. I've been sitting a lot, so I am also having a back pain. So holding in this position, slowly you will feel like the pain will fade away and it's just slowly coming down. And inhale again. Just push yourself up, tightening your tummy. Remember to just keep those tummy very tight. So imagine wearing a very tight corset, or imagine wearing a very tight jeans. Just tighten up those tummy. Think about your belly button once you touch your spine and slowly lower down. And do as much as you can until you feel the back pain is gone. The reason I'm doing this exercise is because you want to create a natural curve for your back. I'll explain this a little bit more. Okay, so after you finish it, remember to stretch it out. Okay, you want to sit on your heels and just reach your hands forward. Just let your body relax. Imagine you're hovering your body over a ball. And then you can slowly rolling up. You might feel a tiny stretch at your back. That is fine. After that, you're going to feel much better. So why am I teaching you this exercise? A lot of people think, oh, if I arch my back, then I'm going to feel the pain at my back, isn't it? Because I'm overarching it. Now the thing is like that, your spine is supposed to be in an S shape, okay? Your spine here is supposed to be an S shape. Why am I having pain? Because naturally, I am born with a spine that is quite straight because of my previous training as a ballet dancer. So I have created my spine to be very straight. Now, straight spine is not healthy. Your spine is supposed to have an S-shaped curve. So because of that, I always get some kind of back pain if I don't do my regular exercises. So this exercise, when you arch your back, is going to create a very nice curve at your lower back if you don't collapse your lower back. Now for people who are overarching, this because of your overarching, therefore you have the pain, probably this is not the best exercise for you, but it's definitely one of the best exercise for people who always sit a lot. If you have very tight back because you are sitting a lot, try this workout and I'm sure you'll feel very good after this. Before I finish the video, I want to tell you I also do online coaching, which means I can reach to you. Doesn't matter where you are in this world. I can coach you step by step on how to do certain exercises properly. If you have any pain or whatever, I will correct it. So if you are interested in my online coaching, you can sign up for a free consultation at the website below, okay? I hope to talk to you very soon. So it's totally free. So make sure you just sign up, tell me about your problem, so I will give you some free advice also. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you share and like this video and subscribe to my channel.